Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram followers stuck problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section, and now go to the search and search on Instagram. Now as you see, go to the storage, and here we find a clear cache. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it works. If it didn't work, you can try to restart your phone. If it didn't work again, maybe try to clear your data, but be careful when you clear data. All your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and databases, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.